Hi Kasta Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi, Natalie. And what we can see right now, it's doing exactly what we spoke about on yesterday's video. The market had the power to break above the trend line, and we are right now retesting another Fibonacci level. And this is very important, the level that we're looking at right now, because here we will see if the market on BTC will continue to create high highs and high lows and reach the next target that we have on BTC around $31,900. But inside of this box, this is also where we could see the market starts to reverse the trend and give us the next momentum to the downside. So we're looking inside a very important level. I do believe that the market will continue up, but we need to follow what the rules are telling us on the charts. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly what I see at this moment on BTC and Ethereum and what we could potentially see next week. Don't forget that you can also receive the best bonus available right now on Bybit up to $30,030. You have the link in the description down below my video. And this is a leverage trading platform where you can trade cryptocurrencies with low fees while holding your positions for a longer time. You also have zero fees when it comes to spot pairs at this moment. If you have never used Bybit before, this is how it looks when you are inside the charts and you are taking your trades on the exact same page, which I think is very simple. Remember that you need a VPN if you are from America, and of course this is how you are supporting my channel when you are doing so. I'm using Bybit myself and I am super satisfied with the platform. So don't forget to claim the best bonus available right now on Bybit up to $30,030 in the link in the description down below my video. You also have it right here in the corner. Let us start off with the weekly chart, and the market has been moving exactly to the levels that we spoke about in yesterday's video, that we have around 23,855. If we go down to the 4-hourly chart, because I think that is the most important thing, because this was what we were looking at yesterday, and we had two scenarios that could potentially play out, and we had the scenario when we saw the market break above the trend line, because one of the scenarios was that we just would have seen the market drop down a little bit around the Fibonacci level, also the previous resistance, but the market had the power to break above the trend line, and we are right now retesting the 50% Fibonacci level that we have from the weekly chart, and from here we just might see the market continue to be bullish. Another level that we can pull back up to is around 25,950, and as I spoke about a couple of days ago and yesterday, is that if we continue to see the market create higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frames, well then most likely we will see the market reach 31,890, 31,900, and we also have the 61.8% at $35,800. So I definitely believe that this week will continue to be bullish on BTC at the moment, because remember, as I've said before, we are retesting a previous support, and I do believe that this will be where the market finds the power now to create the lower high. First of all, the lower high on the weekly chart. So the first thing that I'm looking at is of course the lower high that we have from the weekly chart, but of course if the market continue to be bullish, we can still use the lower high levels, because inside the lower highs levels you will see how the market continue to give you bullish momentum. And this is the reason why we need to focus on the box that we are inside right now, and we're retesting it at 23,900. Remember, it's around these levels, and also up to 25,930. So inside here we will see if the market continue to give us the higher highs and higher lows, or if this will be where we see the market actually break down to the lower targets, because this is a level where the market can reverse down from. So this is the reason why it's very important to see on the lower time frames if the market is actually giving us the break of structure, or if the market is continuing with the bullish momentum. When it comes to Ethereum, we're looking at the weekly chart, and we're actually breaking above, and we have been breaking above the lower high level. And I just want to show you on the lower time frames how it looks at the moment. So when we're looking at Ethereum, it looks a little bit differently than to what BTC is looking, and we are inside this box that you see. This is where the market is supposed to break down to the downside, and most, if this would be the case, we could have used the support, and most, if the market would break below this level and we saw the market retesting this as a lower high, you would see how the market would break below this previous support that we have around 1,500, and then slowly and steady start to reverse down. This can still happen, of course, but I do believe that we will have the bullish momentum to the higher targets. And as we spoke about before, we're of course looking at the previous resistance that we have before we're looking at the Fibonacci. So the next level that we could potentially reach, now we have the previous resistance at 1,780, we have one at 1,000 and I'll say 2K, and then of course we have the fib between 2,240 and 2,565. So this is where the market could potentially continue to give us the higher highs and high lows too. I do believe that the market will do this, but of course we have to see if the market is reversing the trend inside or near these Fibonacci levels and also the resistance levels that we have on Ethereum. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time when I do have my daily updates. I wish everyone had a great weekend because I sure did. We'll see each other tomorrow. Have a great day everyone. Toodles!